Hey everybody, welcome back to Kool Hacks. In this video, we're going to talk about how to make a bust of yourself. And I mean, you can do all kinds of stuff where it comes to the Bambu Maker Lab. So I have 3 of them right here. 2 of them are the same. This one's different, and I've done a 3rd one. They do take the maker credits that they give you to do this bust, but you can do it off your iPhone, or you could do it off your PC or laptop. So the first one that I did was this one right here. It was small. It turned out really well. I uploaded it from my iPhone photo roll, and it came up with this one. I hit print, and if you do it that way from the Maker's Lab, you will get this size. And when I went to go modify a little bit later, I could not get the file to do anything. It was just there, just let me reprint. I went on my PC, I went and checked out, and I did the same thing, and it was not there, and it magically just popped up in the last couple days where it comes to anything and everything. So during that time, I did print this one out right here off of the PC, and I put it in a different picture. This is my favorite one right here. When I was able to figure it out to the point of when it popped into this app, and I'll show you real quick too, it allowed me to actually modify to make it bigger. So this is the largest one that I can make right now, or it comes to my P1S. But I figured something else to make it even huger. And I did not like this one so much because it made my nose really big. I don't know if my nose is that big or not, but I didn't like it. So I thought this looked prettier, looked a little bit more distinguished. And the reason why it does not have glasses on it was because of my coworker. My coworker said that he tried to print one of these out for his pastor, and whenever he had the glasses on it, it went through and it actually broke off. And when you take this picture of everything, it will have it to the point where it shows you how to do everything. So let's just get straight into the app. I am using a MacBook Pro M4 Pro. I've already got my picture on here to upload it, so let's go through. So the first thing you do is you open up your Bambu Studio and you go to the Maker's Lab. You go to the Maker's Lab and you have this page right here, and it will show you the top, and it just starts scrolling through. As you see right now, this one's coming up. This time, more like you. Try now. So we're going to hit try now for it. So the nice thing about this did not pop up like I said, and it did pop up, and I was able to modify it. So these are the 3 statues I did. I tried to modify this one right here to cut off my chest right there. I'll show you those after I get done making a new project, just to show you what you have to walk through and do. So the first thing you do is you just do new project, and right here it says to upload the image. So you can drag your file to this particular thing. I tried doing it with my Mac, didn't work, so I had to go in and actually find it. So I went through and I found it. It's in my downloads, and it says thus PNG. So this is one I did outside with the siding behind me, and I'm just going to see how that does. The other ones I did were actually in the bathroom with my shirt off, and it was kind of weird and kind of strange, but what it is what it is. What they really want to have is they recommend that you don't have glasses on, no side views or incomplete face, and non-human subjects are a no-no. So I'm going to go through, and it says, hey, where it comes to, it wants you to actually do it from the chest up, or the waist up. So it looks like they can make a bigger one. I just wanted my head, you know what I'm saying? So I got that all set up. And it says, generate a 3D model. So you cannot buy these credits. It says you need 40 of these. And that's where I was trying to watch out about how I was modifying these things, because if you do modify it, they want more credits. So we're going to put generate a 3D model. The image you upload will be used solely for AI generation and not be used for any other purpose. By clicking agree, you confirm you've read and agreed to our privacy policy. Guess what? If you want to do it, you're going to have to do what Bambu has there from China, what it is, but I'm going to agree to it, because that's a good looking picture of me. So right now it says my Maker Lab's credit balance is 70. Cost to generate is 40. So I'm going to hit confirm, and I am going to hope for the best. It says 13 seconds to wait, and what I noticed about that, it takes a lot more time than 13 seconds, but it will generate and it will give you exactly, hopefully, what I'm looking for, because I'm looking more for like a design like this instead of a design like this, or the one on my chest that I'll show you a little bit later. So it's generating the model, it's generating it in progress. I'm going to fast forward through this real quick for you. it generated, it did a pretty decent job. Kind of impressed with it. Looks like I got a pretty big nose, to be honest with you. But if you go to edit your statue, they're going to want to go through and put it right here. So you'll see anything and everything. My nose is a little bit bigger than that one, but it's not as big as this one right here. And the nice thing about it is that you can actually add base. So I don't mind this one so much. It does actually show my shirt. What it is what it is. But you can add a base to it, and you can do different kind of bases. Ooh, ooh. And bam. So you can do the bases, or you don't have to do the bases. The other thing you can actually do is, man, I look old in that. You can add glasses after the fact. Like I said, my coworkers did this one, and when he added the glasses, he said he did have a problem where it broke off. So this is what the Glass 5 look a bit more like my glasses I have on right now. And the nice thing about it is that you can move it up or down. Depends on how you determine how to do it. But that's how it is. It doesn't go all the way through to the side of your head. But you can move them forward, backwards, do anything and everything. I'm going to keep the glasses off. So the nice thing about it is that you can actually take the glasses off and on. So if you take the glasses off and on, you just go back through, you hit glasses, and then you just turn it off. And the last thing you can do is that you can actually transform it. So you can actually make your head a little bit bigger, make it a little bit smaller. You can scale it and things like that right here. What I prefer to do is I prefer to do this inside the app itself. So I'm going to just go back real quick. And what you'll see is it will save it in here for you. And once you have it, you can go through, you can click on it, and they're not going to actually make you, they're not going to make you pay extra to get back into it. So you can export it, and once you hit export, you can open it in Studio, or you can download the STL. I'm just going to open it up in Studio just for this example. Switch to that particular one. And here you go, you guys. This is what it kind of looks like. You got my beard into place. You can slice it and print it if you're happy with it. If you're not happy with it and you try to edit it again, it's going to cost you more credits. And like you noticed, I didn't have that many credits. I'm not mad about that one right there. I kind of think it looks pretty cool. I would probably cut off the shirt a little bit more right here. But no, I'm happy with this one. So right now, you just slice your plate, and you can make it bigger and do anything and everything that you want. So you're slicing your plate, and the bad thing about these things I heard, it does take a lot of filament. If you notice right here, I have a marble filament. So this marble filament right here I got from Hobby Lobby. I'm really enjoying it. It's $20.99. I cannot complain. I'm making another statue also, but I was saying that it's pretty nice, pretty cool. So right now what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you the other statues that I made where it came to this. And that's the really nice thing about it. If we go to each one of this, go back here where it comes to your statues, you can actually see the statues that you've actually created. And the other neat thing about it is if you watch right here, this is the one I had, and I tried to cut off my chest. But we're just going to go into that one real quick. And what you'll see is this is the picture that I used. Once again, it got my chest in there. I'm like, okay, cool, whatever. The next one I did was this one where it did get more of my chest in there. Look at all that chest hair. I did cut that one off right there, and I gave it to Jack. I could not get that one. But man, I guess I got a bigger nose than I really thought, you guys. But it's really, really simple. The biggest thing is that it does take the MakerLab's credits, but I think it's cool to try out. And I want to just show you the next one that I'm doing right now. So I had to get my buddy to help me, Will. Thank you, Will, for helping me this. But I wanted to make a life-size statue of my head. And my P1S just won't do it without a lot of different modifications. So check what I'm doing right now. I am printing this thing out, you guys. It's taking about 12 to 13 hours to print it out. But this is pretty cool. So right here, I did a split head statue. And with the split head statue, it's really neat because what I do is I was able to cut it off and put it on 2 different plates. And I think my head's going to be massive. I think it's going to be life size. So if you want to see that, leave me a comment in the description or in the comments. Do whatever you want, but I am so looking forward to see how big my head is. With my neck, I'm gonna glue it on, and I'm gonna display that in my house. And you know what? The one thing my wife does not like are these things. She thinks these things are so ugly, creepy. She doesn't want them in the house. But right now, you guys, that's what I'm printing back here. I'm really excited about it. I'm halfway through my face. I'm halfway through my neck. And it's going to be massive. I'm going to display this with pride. But you guys, look forward to that video because it's going to be some comedy. But I hope this video helped you out to actually just say, hey, you know what? Maybe I'll just print this and modify it and just make a big old head for everybody to see. I'm telling you, these are going pretty well with people, man. I've printed off like 5 of these and people have actually took them. You might be surprised at how many people say these are creepy or these are pretty awesome. But everybody, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe and keep on keeping on. Peace out.